power of keeping a journal. Have you ever wondered why some people keep a journal? What are the benefits of writing down your thoughts, feelings, and experiences on a regular basis? How can journaling help you improve your mental, emotional, and physical well-being? If you are curious about the power of keeping a journal, then this video is for you. In this video, we will explore some of the scientific evidence and real-life examples that demonstrate the power of keeping a journal. We will also share some tips on how to start and maintain a journaling habit that suits your needs and preferences. What is journaling? Journaling is the practice of writing down your thoughts, feelings, and experiences on a regular basis. It can be done in various formats, such as a diary, where you record your personal events and reflections. A gratitude journal, where you list the things you are thankful for. A bullet journal, where you organize your tasks, goals, and ideas. A dream journal, where you document your dreams and their meanings. A creative journal, where you express yourself through words, drawings, or other media. Journaling can be done with a pen and paper, a digital device, or a combination of both. The important thing is to find a method that works for you and that you enjoy. How does journaling work? Journaling works by activating various cognitive and emotional processes that can enhance your well-being. Some of the mechanisms involved are mindfulness. Journaling can help you stay present and aware of your thoughts and feelings without judging or avoiding them. This can help you reduce stress, increase happiness, and improve self-awareness. Catharsis. Journaling can help you release and process negative emotions such as anger, sadness, or fear. This can help you cope with challenges, heal from trauma, and improve your mood. Regulation. Journaling can help you regulate your emotions by helping you identify, label, and manage them. This can help you improve your emotional intelligence, resilience, and relationships. Insight. Journaling can help you gain insight into yourself, your situation, and your goals. This can help you solve problems, make decisions, and achieve your dreams. Growth. Journaling can help you grow as a person by helping you learn from your experiences, reflect on your values, and develop your identity. What are some benefits of journaling? Journaling has been shown to have many benefits for various aspects of your well-being, such as mental health. Journaling can help you reduce symptoms of depression, anxiety, and other mental health conditions. It can also help you prevent or recover from burnout, enhance your cognitive functioning, and boost your creativity. Physical health. Journaling can help you improve your immune system, lower your blood pressure, and reduce your pain. It can also help you adopt healthier habits, such as eating well, exercising, and sleeping better. Success. Journaling can help you achieve your goals by helping you clarify your vision, plan your actions, and track your progress. It can also help you improve your productivity, performance, and confidence. How can you start and maintain a journaling habit? If you want to start and maintain a journaling habit, here are some tips that you can follow. Choose a format that suits you. There is no right or wrong way to journal. You can choose a format that matches your personality, style, and goals. For example, if you are a visual person, you might prefer a creative journal with drawings or collages. If you are a busy person, you might prefer a bullet journal with short and simple entries. Set a time and place that works for you. You can journal whenever and wherever you want, as long as it is convenient and comfortable for you. For example, you might journal in the morning to set your intentions for the day, or in the evening to reflect on your achievements and challenges. You might journal in your bedroom, in your office, or in a park. Make it a habit. You can make journaling a habit by doing it regularly and consistently. You can also use cues, rewards, and reminders to motivate yourself and stay on track. For example, you might journal every day after breakfast and reward yourself with a cup of coffee. You might also use an app, a calendar, or a friend to remind you to journal. Be honest and open. You can journal more effectively by being honest and open with yourself. You don't have to censor or edit your thoughts and feelings, as your journal is a safe and private space for you to express yourself. You can also use journaling prompts, questions, or themes to guide you and explore different aspects of yourself. Have fun and enjoy. You can journal more enjoyably by having fun and experimenting with different techniques and tools. You can also use journaling as a way to connect with yourself and others by sharing your insights, discoveries, and stories. Journaling should not be a chore or a burden, but a source of joy and fulfillment. Here's some real-life stories about the power of keeping a journal. The power of keeping a journal is not just a theoretical concept, but a practical skill that can be learned and applied in everyday life. Here are some real-life stories that illustrate the power of keeping a journal and how it can transform your life for the better. Julie McCann, a writer and editor, used journaling as a way to cope with her divorce and the emotional turmoil that followed. She wrote down her thoughts and feelings several times a day, hoping to find some answers and relief. However, she soon realized that her journaling habit had gone too far, and that she was only dwelling on her pain and negativity. Her therapist advised her to stop journaling immediately and instead focus on the present and the positive aspects of her life. Julie followed her advice and gradually felt more balanced and hopeful. She learned that journaling can be a helpful tool, but only if used in moderation and with a constructive purpose. Arpita Bhandari, a life strategist and coach, used journaling as a way to discover herself and her passions. She was an introverted and shy child who faced bullying and teasing from her peers. She also struggled with low self-esteem and health issues due to her suppressed emotions. She started journaling at the age of 9 and found it to be a safe and private way to express herself. She continued journaling throughout her life and used it as a catalyst to pursue her dreams and goals. She became interested in spirituality and alternative healing, and used journaling to gain insight and clarity into her life. She now helps others to transform their lives through journaling and other techniques. Jim Rohn, a motivational speaker and author, used journaling as a way to record and create his life. He started journaling when he was 25 and kept it up for more than 40 years. He wrote down his ideas, observations, lessons, and achievements, and used them as a source of inspiration and guidance. He also wrote down his goals and plans and tracked his progress and results. He credited journaling as one of the key factors for his success and happiness. He said, "Don't trust your memory. When you listen to something valuable, write it down. When you come across something important, write it down. Take the time to keep notes and to keep a journal. You'll be so glad you did." Journaling is a powerful practice that can help you improve your well-being in many ways. By writing down your thoughts, feelings, and experiences on a regular basis, you can enhance your mindfulness, catharsis, regulation, insight, and growth. You can also start and maintain a journaling habit that suits your needs and preferences by choosing a format, setting a time and place, making it a habit, being honest and open, and having fun and enjoying. Remember, journaling is not only a way to record your life, but also a way to create it. Before you go, are you ready to find your inner calm? Check out my meditation, Hypnosis, and self-help book audios on audible.com. They're perfect for relaxation and personal growth. For more resources, visit my website, colorstory.com. Take a deep breath and let's dive in together. Click the link in the description to explore my audios now. Until next time, stay grounded. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content. Thanks again for tuning in.